How to create Geometry Dash account on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and then search Geometry Dash. You will need to pay for the app, so you can simply download Geometry Dash Lite. After you have installed the app, open the app. In here, press on gear icon. After you have pressed on gear icon, you will find these options. Press on account. Then in account, you will find register option. Click on register, which is the last option. Then add your username, password, confirm password, email, verify email, then press on submit. After you have pressed on submit, your verification code will be sent to your email. So simply go back, open Gmail, and there reload it. You'll find Geometry Dash. Click on it. Click on the link. Then as you can see at the top, account activated, and then go back to the app, press on login. After you pressed on login, add your username and then add your password. Press on login at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to create Geometry Dash account on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.